Welcome to this lecture video. In this video, I am going to explain the experiment which comes under Engineering Physics Lab prescribed under VTU. The name of the experiment is Fermi energy. So aim is determine the Fermi energy of copper coil. Apparatus required here is DC regulated power supply, digital milliammeter, digital voltmeter, heater, thermometer and copper coil. And this is the schematic circuit diagram of the experiment, and here we are going to use a milliammeter, voltmeter and a copper coil immersed in hot water, and then a thermometer. That's what the picture, and also a power supply will be used. And here is a graph showing resistance of copper coil versus temperature. When we plot a graph, a straight line will come and the slope is nothing but AB by BC, that is nothing but dr by dt. So this is what we are going to use while calculating the Fermi energy of copper. The procedure is a copper coil of about 2 meter length is taken and its radius will be measured, and also area of cross section will also be calculated. The wire is wound over an insulating tube to form a coil. The coil is immersed in preheated liquid. The two ends of the coil is connected to a power supply through a milliammeter and a resistance box as shown in the picture. A millivoltmeter is also be connected across the coil. A thermometer is impressed in the beaker containing a liquid and the coil. When the thermometer attains steady temperature, we are going to measure the voltage and current values. So the temperature of the liquid will be around 75 to 80 degree in the beginning, and allow the liquid to cool down, and for every 5 degree centigrade we are going to record the current and voltmeter readings. And finally the resistance of the copper coil will be calculated. So the readings were all going to be entered in this tabular column. So we are going to start the experiment at 75 degree, and the corresponding temperature will be converted into Kelvin, and digital voltmeter and digital milliammeter readings were all recorded, and hence the radius of the copper coil is given by V by I. So experiment is repeated by maintaining the temperature at 70 degree, 65 degree, 60 and 55 degree. So like this we are going to record the readings. And here the formula used is Ne square pi a r square by L square root of 2m whole square into dr by dt whole square. So here dr by dt is nothing but slope. When we plot a graph of resistance versus temperature, straight line will come and the slope is nothing but dr by dt, and remaining values were all constants. That's what shown here. That is, Fermi energy is calculated by making use of the value of N is equal to 8.464 into 10 to the power of 28 per kg mole, and charge on the electron, radius of the wire, length of the wire, mass of the electron, and also electrical conductivity. All these parameters were all going to be used for calculating the Fermi energy of copper, and these constants values are going to be given in the exam. And finally the Fermi energy of the copper is calculated using the formula given and will be entered as a result. That is, Fermi energy of copper is equal to so many electron volts.